Want to create a unique and professional letter N logo without the hassle? In this video, I'll show you 3 stunning letter N logo designs, super easy to make in Canva. These logos are perfect for brands, businesses, or even personal projects. Curious to see how it's done? Watch till the end because the last design might just be your favorite. Alright, let's get started. Today we're going to create 3 unique N logos in Canva. The designs are simple, stylish, and super easy to make. Let's go. Okay, let's start with the first logo. This one is simple yet unique. A curved N with the left side partially replaced by a circle. Let's create it. Step 1. Open Canva and create a 500 by 500 pixel design. Step 2. Go to Elements and add an oval shape. Enlarge it and place it in the center. Step 3. Form the letter N by duplicating the Arco oval shape, resizing it and changing its color to white. Now, to make it even more unique, let's modify the left side of the letter. Step 4. Go to Elements, Shapes. Select a square and change its color to white. Step 5. Position the square to cover the lower left leg of the letter N. Step 6. Go to Elements, Shapes. Select a circle, and align it precisely with the width of the N leg. Step 7. To create the curved effect on the N leg, duplicate the circle, change its color to white, and place it accordingly. Step 8. Adjust the colors, try a black and gold combo for a luxurious feel, or blue and white for a modern look. Here I'm using that black and pink to create a bold yet stylish impression. And it's done. A simple yet eye-catching design, perfect for a minimalist brand or a tech company. All right, let's move on to the second logo. Now, let's create the second logo. This one is more modern and abstract. This time, we'll shape the letter N using 3 elongated rectangles arranged together. Let's get started. Step 1, add a new page. Step 2, go to Elements, under Shapes, select elongated rectangle. Rotate it 65 degrees and position it accordingly. Step 3, we'll click on the rectangle, then select border style and set border weight to 10. Step 4, let's change the rectangle's color to white. I'm adjusting black border so it's not too dark. Step 5, choose duplicate the rectangle twice, then connect all 3 to form a unique N shape. Now, you can see the N starting to take shape. Boom! Here's a super clean and modern logo, perfect for a tech brand or startup. All right, let's move on to the third and most unique logo. All right, for our final design, we're creating a logo with a unique optical effect. This time we're making double, one formed from square cutouts and the other from a series of rectangles in the center. The result, a minimalist logo with a cool illusion effect. Let's get started. Step 1. Add a new page. Step 2. Add a square shape from Work Elements. This will be the base of our logo. Enlarge the square, making sure each side remains proportional. Then center it on the canvas. Step 3. Choose a bold color, like black, dark blue, or maroon for a strong visual impact. I'm using a muted black just like in the previous designs. Now, let's create the double N effect that makes this logo stand out. Step 4. Duplicate the square and adjust its proportions to create Nagur's rectangles. Arrange them to form the letter N as shown in the example. Step 5. Change rectangle colors to match the background to create cutout effect. For an aesthetic touch, change the middle rectangle's color to gray. Step 6. Ensure that the left and right edges of the N extend beyond the main for a more dynamic look. Step 7. Add text to the logo if desired. Boom, the result? A modern logo with an optical effect that makes any brand look more professional and creative. Now you've got 3 unique and stylish N logos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome design tips. See you in the next video.